Demystifying Needed to, reporting modal verbs made easy. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on modal verbs in reported speech. Today, we're tackling a key topic: reporting modal verbs with need. Specifically, we'll dive into the realm of past necessity with needed to. Ready to unveil the secrets of English grammar? Let's dive in. Needed to is a phrase used to indicate something that was necessary in the past. Just like need indicates a present necessity, needed to reflects a past necessity. It's that simple. When we report past speech and the sentence involves need, we typically use needed to accurately reflect the timing. For example, direct speech: I need to finish my homework. Reported speech: she said she needed to finish her homework. The beauty of needed to lies in its simplicity. It follows the same structure as a typical verb. Here's the pattern: subject plus needed to plus base form of the verb. For example, direct speech: we need to be at the airport by 7 p.m. Reported speech: they told me they needed to be at the airport by 7 p.m. Take note, the word following needed to always remains in its base form. While we're here, it's also important to clarify the difference between needn't have and didn't need to, as these are commonly confused with needed to. Needn't have expresses that something was done in the past, but it was not necessary. Didn't need to is used when something was not necessary, and it did not happen. For example, direct speech: you needn't have cooked dinner, implies the person cooked dinner, but it wasn't necessary. Reported speech: she said I needn't have cooked dinner. Direct speech: you didn't need to cook dinner, implies the person didn't cook dinner and it wasn't necessary. Reported speech: she said I didn't need to cook dinner. And there we have it. You've just demystified the use of needed to in reported speech. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any new concept in language learning. So, keep practicing, keep speaking, and you'll master the art of reporting modal verbs with need in no time. Until next time, happy learning!